tired of spending hours cleaning your pool instead of enjoying it? Say goodbye to manual skimming and hello to sparkling clean water. In this video, you'll discover the best pool vacuum cleaners available today. From powerful suction models to hands-free robotic options, perfect for any pool size or budget. So if you want to spend more time swimming and less time scrubbing, let's get started. Number 1. Enhulk T403 Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Enhulk T403 Pool Vacuum Cleaner offers powerful suction and cordless convenience, making it a great choice for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Its dual brush heads and extendable telescopic pole allow for versatile cleaning, even in tight corners and on pool steps. With up to 60 minutes of runtime and quick recharge capability, it's perfect for efficient, uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Key features: max flow rate, 18.5 gallons per minute, includes triangular and nose cone brush heads. The telescopic pole extends from 35.8 inches to 87.5 inches. Cordless operation with rechargeable battery. Up to 60 minutes of runtime. Quick 1.5-hour recharge time. Number 2. Intex 28620 EP Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Intex 28620 EP is a lightweight and portable handheld vacuum designed for above-ground pools and spas up to 18 feet in diameter. It runs on rechargeable nickel-metal hydride batteries, delivering consistent suction power for thorough cleaning. With 2 brush heads, a telescoping shaft, and an automatic shutoff feature, it offers convenient and reliable performance for routine pool maintenance. Key features: ideal for pools up to 18 feet in diameter. Rechargeable nickel-metal hydride batteries. Includes 2 interchangeable brush heads, 94-inch telescoping aluminum shaft, automatic shutoff when out of water, lightweight and easy to carry. IPX8 waterproof switch for safety. Number 3. POOLWHALE T358 Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The POOLWHALE T358 is a manual jet vacuum cleaner that operates using water pressure from a standard garden hose. No electricity or batteries are needed. It effectively removes leaves, stains, and small debris from the bottom of pools, spas, and ponds. With its simple design, included extension pole, and easy setup, it's ideal for spot cleaning small water features and above-ground pools. Key features: operates using garden hose water pressure. No electricity or batteries required. Includes 6-section 56.7-inch extension pole. 2-in-1 design with multiple pole compatibility. Effective for removing leaves, dirt, and stones. Minimum water depth required, 23.6 inches. Number 4. PoolMr Seahorse Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The PoolMr Seahorse is a cordless, battery-powered pool vacuum cleaner designed for deep cleaning in above-ground pools, spas, and hot tubs. It delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime and features a dual-phase cleaning system for capturing both large debris and fine particles. With a lightweight build, quiet operation, and a durable telescopic pole, it's an excellent choice for thorough, hassle-free pool maintenance. Key features: 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery with 60-minute runtime, 30-watt motor with 16 gallons per minute suction power, dual-phase filtration for large and fine debris, includes brush and suction heads for targeted cleaning, 65-inch aluminum telescopic pole for extended reach, works in temperatures from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5. Zodiac Baracuda G3W03000 Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Zodiac Baracuda G3W03000 is a reliable suction-side pool vacuum designed specifically for in-ground pools, compatible with low-flow and variable-speed pumps. It features a simple 3-step setup and efficiently cleans various pool surfaces, including tile, vinyl, gunite, and fiberglass. Key features: compatible with low-flow and variable-speed pumps, cleans vinyl, tile, gunite, and fiberglass surfaces. Easy 3-step setup process. 36 fin disc for strong surface adhesion. Wheel deflector for better corner maneuvering. Includes 39-foot push-fit feed hose. Number 6. Kokido XTROVAC 110 Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Kokido XTROVAC 110 compact handheld pool vacuum, designed for above-ground pools, spas, and pools up to 20 feet in size. It delivers quiet, cordless operation with 60 minutes of runtime and strong 9.4 gallons per minute suction power, ideal for picking up sand, leaves, and debris. Key features: lightweight design, 9.4 gallons per minute suction with lithium battery power, up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime, quiet 60 decibel operation with IPX8 waterproofing, 72-inch aluminum pole with 2 cleaner heads, works in cold and warm water pools. Number 7. Lydsto YM-S1-03 Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Lydsto YM-S1-03 is a powerful, cordless pool vacuum featuring a reinforced telescopic pole and a high-efficiency filtration system for deep and reliable cleaning, with a 30-watt motor delivering strong suction and up to 60 minutes of runtime. It efficiently removes sand, leaves, and fine debris from pools, spas, and hot tubs. Key features: 30-watt motor with 14,000 RPM and 13.6 gallons per minute suction, 1.3-liter dust box with 120 mesh filter and sponge, 60-minute runtime with 2,550 mAh rechargeable battery, reinforced telescopic pole for extended reach, cordless push-button operation, submerged indicator light for safe use. Number 8. EFURDEN EDHV01 Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The EFURDEN EDHV01 is a compact cordless pool vacuum built for fast, efficient debris removal in above-ground and in-ground pools, spas, and hot tubs. Its powerful motor delivers 10 gallons per minute suction, and the 6,000 mAh battery provides up to 60 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. Key features: 10 gallons per minute suction power with a strong motor, 6,000 mAh battery offers up to 60 minutes of runtime, fast charging in just 3.5 hours, adjustable telescopic pole, sensory switch to protect motor when not submerged, includes interchangeable brush head and charger. Number 9. Pool Blaster Max CG31000KL Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Pool Blaster Max CG31000KL is a powerful handheld vacuum designed for deep cordless pool cleaning, featuring the advanced WaterTech P30 motor for increased suction. It effectively removes leaves, sand, twigs, and other debris with its wide 10.5-inch vacuum head and large debris chamber. With up to 1 hour of runtime and compatibility with standard telescopic poles. Key features: powerful WaterTech P30 motor for enhanced suction, large debris chamber, and wide 10.5-inch vacuum head, up to 60 minutes of cordless cleaning, push-button operation for ease of use, compatible with any standard telescopic pole, ideal for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Number 10. LVKE L2 Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The LVKE L2 Pool Vacuum Cleaner delivers strong, cordless suction using a 30-watt motor and 14,000 RPM DC technology, ideal for efficiently removing debris, leaves, and fine dirt from pools, hot tubs, and spas. Its 1.3-liter transparent dust collector with a high-density 120 micron filter traps even the smallest particles for consistently clear water. Designed for convenience, it offers up to 60 minutes of runtime, extended reach with a 5.6-foot telescopic pole, and automatic shutoff for added motor protection. Key features: 13.6 gallons per minute suction power with 30-watt motor, 1.3-liter dust collector with high-density filtration, cordless design with 60-minute runtime, 5.6-foot telescopic pole and 360-degree swivel head, lightweight for easy one-handed use, automatic shutoff after 60 seconds out of water. Thanks for watching. Which pool vacuum caught your eye? Drop your favorite one in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. All the featured products are linked in the description, with the latest prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a smart recommendation from us.